We're preparing the chicken for today.
Yeah, need one bag for put that one back there.
We have to find one.
Yeah.
Beautifully cut.
Yep.
He knows what he's doing.
See that giant?
Wow.
That cut bad. But not really. Just more of the back, come on. More of the back. When I cut it back too, because more of the back come off, you know, split right in the middle.
Yeah, we can wash it tomorrow morning. Well, oh no, not tomorrow morning, but before we...
Man, you sneezing over my meat.
I sneezed behind me.
With the salt.
Well, then you don't
salt
need...
and something.
Okay.
No need enough. Hopefully it won't salt. Sweet too. I need some of this now. Yeah, let me taste it.
Yeah.
You know, pepper but salt is when I cook it down, I can put a little more jerk in there, you know, and stop seeing all that.
Safety first, guys.
How much is?
You already took them.
I don't know
where you put them. The empty boxes there.
What are you charging?
Charlie and Georgia. Chachi. Okay. Georgia's face. She's got the right t-shirt on today. Turn around. What did it say? Cook's charm. Wow.
Oh.
Wait, shut the cat. Wait, shut this first. Jesus Christ.
Oh.
I don't know why I was standing so close, like.
What that? Oh. They play with matches, kids.
Georgia, you don't want to be a helper?
What?
Quite old enough.
Yeah, I know. I did say they were done. Do you want me to hold the paper?
No, man. You know the people. Actually, they must have crumbled.
I said they were done.
One name, bro.
It's like... No. Alright, well, I was halfway running up the stairs, so I didn't really catch the lighting part, but... Yeah. Yeah, fire.
If you box it, you won't take the runway.
Hashtag Yardy Jerk.
Can't come here, man.
You want another block?
Yeah. Funny. Funny card, yeah. Yeah.
Good job, Charlie. Oh, thank you. need
Alright, so go fish chicken in there first. Need to keep on chat. Fire is like a hungry person, you know. You smell that very nice? You don't smell it hot. See you quick. That's still good.
Charles,
See you. Fire burning fast is easy, so you can mix it. Guys, I'm going to try to split the wood, as you can see. So that is the nice. It's the first time actually at a band challenge and vlog like this, other than yesterday in little clips. Yesterday doing half guards. Yeah, so hello, I am Ryan. And I want to become a chef. So I love cooking. Yeah, that is my dream, becoming a chef. I love cooking. Guys, the place, the window pick up so we are get more smoke. So we have to close the door. See it come on, guys. Wish I could have smelled it. It smells awesome. So guys, I can tell you spur tree jerk season in here. Because I want to taste jerky and nice. Anyway, make a marinade with jerk season already, so we just use this to tap it. A little bit more, you know, for extra kick. Yeah. If the parents see this, I mom, I dad. I put a little dry jerk season in there for you know, the extra. Oh. Alright, now guys, I'm adding a little potato to the pot. Potato, you know. Guys, again, wash my hand every time but I'm gonna chop wood in case the fire, because the place is cold and breeze and rain are fall, so the fire died down. So I'm gonna chop wood every minute and put in. After this, I'm gonna cook rice guys on this fire and then lentils. So I hope you can see. My dad have got my business. Yeah, the jerk. Look out for that, yeah? Hope you come support. It's it. We're going to be jerking chicken, and roasting fish, and all those stuff. Making pudding and stuff like that. In Spanish Town, in some city, Spanish Town. Yeah. It's coming very, very soon. Very soon. Just look at it. Going to taste it, guys. So I'm gonna taste the spoon. Delicious. So we want to check potatoes. Finish. Yeah. Everything on this what do we call rice, fried breadfruit, lentils, everything. And guys, Charlie's a vegetarian, so that's why I'm cooking lentils. And the chicken is for me and Georgia. Oh God. Yeah, we so can't get to do it. Don't worry, I said.
Alright guys, so I am going to be adding the seasoning to the rice. I don't know if you can hear me. Scallion. Where are we going to put this? I'll just leave some for the jerk. A little bit of this scotch bonnet. Garlic. Coconut milk. The rice and chicken. We got the rice cooking and I'm gonna cook my jerk lentils because I don't eat meat. So I just got some scallion, onion, ginger, garlic and scotch bonnet and a little bit of Maggi in there, and I'm gonna put the jerk seasoning, and I might put a little bit of the jerk seasoning that he used as well, the paste. So I just added in the coconut powder and the jerk seasoning. I forgot, I need to go get some water, so let's do that before they start to burn.
You can still pack, there's lots of like bedding and stuff that you can like pack it out. So that's it.
And potatoes. The sleeping arrangements are back. We're just sleeping on the floor and we're sleeping on the bed.
I would say the sleeping arrangement is that I'm sleeping on the floor and they're sleeping on the bed.
I thought that's what you said.
No?
Because you're going to be, you know, like treating us as guests or whatnot.
No? Oh, you guys can take the sofa then.
Oh, I was fooled then. I was tricked into coming here.
Yeah.
So we're getting the royal treatment. But this rice was like a
Just a coin.
It's a coin. Just a coin. The jerk seasoning and the paste in there. This is not how I normally do it, but
We have roast breadfruit too.
we'll see how that tastes.
Yeah. Right?
Huh?
Right?
Yeah. Oh wow, that tastes good. Oh, that tastes good. It's kind of spicy though, but you can put a little bit more coconut milk in there. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the lentils. It's definitely jerked.
And we obviously were sitting outside with the table. We did it like how grandma would do, you know, when we had breakfast in the garage.
And then I'm just gonna put the lid on it and let that cook.
You know, the stuff.
Guys, so we have finished cooking. You have chicken, you have rice, you have breadfruit and lentils. Okay.